Hello, hello. I guess I am streaming now. I had some issues with OBS, but doesn't really matter. We will go ahead after this. So let me do something a little bit different. I want to confirm I am live. So this seems I am live. Let me double check. Yes, I am. So it is 1, 2, 3. Yes, 2 seconds lag. So that's great. So what's going on? Go news of the day, and here Nvidia surpasses 5 trillion market, whatever, the same thing. Investor focus, expensive. This is the news. No sign of slowing. And this is key because these companies, like we mentioned yesterday on the webinar, these companies were very lean and efficient into making money. And some of them still are. Other are not so much now. They're investing a lot of money in things that will depreciate, right? So if they need to look for a red flag somewhere, that's where I will be looking at. Fentanyl, China deal. This was yesterday, today, nothing. Actually, no top news in the last 24 hours that are okay. Here one, ExxonMobil beat profits. Trump, uh, she void with message on trade. Nothing market moving events for so far for today. And in the US, companies, okay, this is the driver, Samsung Electronic. Okay, so AI turn Google Cloud from also ran into Alphabet growth driver, right? Amazon shares soared as AI boom fuels stellar growth in AWS. ExxonMobil, Samsung Electronic in talks with NVIDIA to supply next generation chips. Nuclear from Trump, Wall Street set to open, strong open, Apple, Amazon lift. Okay, so now we have 10 minutes on the open. First thing, let's look at the internals. Copy this and send it to Discord. And in Discord intraday, we posted and say mix volume, mixed volume. And what do I mean? What do I mean with mixed volume? So let me show you. Let me show you because mixed volume means one is positive and the other one is negative. From the open, from 9:32 now, this is how the sectors are. Ticked are below zero. Below zero and below zero. So wait 1 second. Who said strong open here? Yeah, this guy. An hour ago, okay, was probably better than now, right? It is true that indexes are higher from yesterday's close, right? But as of now, look at the ES is going lower. But let's go to whatever is higher because it's Bitcoin. This is positive. Let's go change this, go into Bitcoin. And here what we have is a strong day of Bitcoin after a big drop yesterday. Okay, so let me see. Let me make this chart bigger so we are all on the same page. Remember, we are inside of yesterday trading range. Trading range. We don't do anything, right? Nothing to do here. Crude. Oh, look at this. Right about, oops, above the trend line in the higher time, in the higher range of this candle. It's Friday. It's in the end of the month. Let's see what's going on. So this is another one that was positive. Amazon is great. Bitcoin, Nvidia as well, Tesla as well. But remember, these companies did bad yesterday. What is Nvidia? Nvidia, see, AMD getting better. Amazon, this is the gap. And so closed yesterday at the low and today on earnings just skyrocketed, right? This is a 12% move in a day. This is what I meant. If we have the triple X, sorry, the 5X ETF, and you are in something like this in the wrong direction, if you're the right direction, it's a 50% gain. If not, it's a 50% loss. So I guess it would be a market for that, but this shows. I would be very curious to see how this develop. Um, so now let's focus on the ES because it was coming down from the open. Okay, so let's go in this. This is a 5-minute chart. This was the price action yesterday. Open and trickle lower, right? Enter in the box where the risk rewards were worth it. Overnight, a gap, right? And then from the gap, the first 15 minutes are down. So 15 minutes are down. Let me see if I could use this. That was so we go here. Where's the mouse? Go here. And I say the first 15 minutes down. It's not very clear. I don't know why it's taking the entire screen here, so I wouldn't want the entire screen. I just want to be able to say 15 minutes down. Not super clear. But now it's the first 15 minutes and the beginning of one more minute. So let's see, it could go here and then retrace, right? Like that. And Q is not okay. NQ similar picture. YM not so strong. Russell not so strong. This is interesting because gold is positive, silver is negative. Let me go into the long term picture. We were saying if we are going long, this is the 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. We are entering, now we are retracing back into the one. The stop loss will be near this area here. The gold, similar story, retracing into yesterday high value area. But the movement it's here on the yes. So what can we have today? First thing I'm thinking. So let's go in here where it was retested yesterday and trick everyone. Trick everyone. Right? Downside pressure, second day, not breaking, going higher. The other thing is not even going there. Let me make it a little bigger. Not even going inside of this. Yes, chi 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 and higher. How much higher? At least to this area, to today's high, right? Overnight high. Is that far away? It's about what, 35, 30 points away, 40 points, 35 points away. Could be done easily, right? This is also, we are at yesterday's uh, opening prints, right? Opening price below. Mm. And the third scenario, it would be just to hold in this area and not move much. If there is a pressure down, then take here. All of these are healthy pullback still. Remember that higher, no, sorry, lower, low, higher, low here, higher, low here. I mean, lower, low from these lows, right? And that concludes today's episode. Is Halloween and the last day of the month. So just don't trade with these market internals. Let me see, go to Discord. Did it improve the volume? It was 1 point. Oh, now it, okay. It's about to turn positive. But it is improving a little bit, right? Tick is trending higher. Here, real estate turned just positive, but they were very negative. I mean, it's mixed, right? It's not like trending like last night. Look at, you can see last night price action here, right? Here as well, right? It's not trending. This is mixed. It was positive. It was negative. Now it's positive. This is getting healthier. Yeah, can it return to the highs of overnight? Yes, that's what we're looking. But the key point is the last trading day of the month. Just don't ruin the week because of today, and don't ruin the month because of today. Um, that's all. With that, I conclude the episode and looking forward to the next one. Bye bye.